Where is AI? Tell me where it hides. Everywhere, nowhere, right before your eyes. Where is AI? You say it's not real, but it runs the numbers and it signs the deals. GPU, not AI. Code, not AI. Money flows, profits rise. Still you say it's all a lie. Data center, burning light. Power bills into the sky. Systems running day and night. But AI? Not in sight. Something broke. Something failed. Now the silence turns to blame. Add AI. Add human. Put them both inside the frame. When it works, no one's there. When it breaks, now you care. Shift the weight, move the blame. Different words, same old game. Where is AI? But where is human now? Both disappear quickly when it's not allowed. It's not about what's there. It's about what disappears. Count the pigs.